5, 6, 7 go. एक बंद बॉटल पे मेरा ना 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 ना.
उसके बाद नेक्स्ट गाना कंटिन्यू होगा ना?
हाँ, you guys can come into the hook step. No steps are there. Just enter. Then I think Isha, you come from the audience. You come third. Or you want to come last? You can come last. ठीक है, come last.
हम करके बैठ जाऊंगी ना कहीं पे भी.
नहीं. You go tha 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 tha
एंड टर्न करके ही अगर डायरेक्टली लेना है.
directly break करना.
What happened?
Try it once.
But can you like I give it to her and she does
ये क्या?
Let's do it. 2, 3, 4.
Oh my god, this is a mix of sweat actually. It's a mix of sweat and a facial. I just had my dermat appointment today. I got a vitamin C something, a Q-switch laser because I have a tan, and then I did a glow facial. This is, my face is literally like bouncing off light right now, but that's also because I have a lot of product on my face and it looks so sweaty and chipku and I don't know what is happening. But we are leaving for Delhi day after tomorrow. Today is the 1st of December. Where is the time going? Like, how is this happening so fast? I haven't started packing at all, and we have our dance practice today, like our final dance practice. I like doing this like beach mein catch up of me like talking to the camera, but my update actually right now is that we are leaving day after for Delhi. In my head, the plan that I had made, which didn't work out, was that by this time we would have moved into our new house and had things ready so that when we come back I don't want to fall sick. Oh my god, I'm so stressed. I can't even do steam because I have done this on my face today. But anyway, sorry, also did my nails. Nothing out of the ordinary. This is all I do, basic nails. I'm sweaty guys, I need to like calm down. But anyway, we were supposed to move by this time, like before we left for Delhi, before we go for the wedding. Everything was supposed to be done, and till today we don't have a house. I haven't packed anything, so I have to pack and move after I come back, which, I mean, it is what it is. You can't make the universe work according to you every single time. But the house that we liked and it didn't work out. Did I tell you guys that it didn't work out? Yeah, I did. I mentioned it, that we didn't have a house and everything's just gone here and there. Now the same people reopening the conversation on that same house, and we're just like negotiating and having all our discussions with them, trying to finalize things. But this time guys, I'm not going to tell anyone. Don't tell your plans to anyone. With this house, we actually got excited and shared it with a lot of people. Big mistake. Even though we had given our token and security deposit, we just hadn't signed the agreement, and we told everyone, and then everything fell through and they returned our token and security deposit and everything, and it all got cancelled. So this time, till we sign the agreement, everything goes through, we get the house keys, I am not telling anyone actually. I'm not telling anyone at home also, because it's just like a fear now in my head. Like, I'm like, this was a house we really liked, and you know, it went away, and then I felt really bad that oh my god, we lost this house and we're never gonna find anything like it again, or blah blah blah. So now that we have this opportunity again, I don't want to tell anyone. So I'm also having a hard time keeping this a secret now, that nobody will know. But till that happens, it's only you guys, only you know. And that's also because it's not live, this is not going live. By the time you know, hopefully we have the house. The most excited things, let me tell you about my wedding. Okay, I am most excited about my wedding outfits. I've had so much fun in this whole process. My wedding looks like, the makeup and all of it coming together, or the whole thing coming together. I'm very excited to see it. The dance performances, I'm so excited. And the fact that it's all going to be over. I have hated wedding planning, so I'm very excited for it to be over. Anyway, let's go practice some steps, and then we have the class. which is such a workout, but it's good. Gonna sweat a little more. The audacity to play this song after making us late. All the flights I've taken this month, every flight has been delayed by 2 hours minimum. We were supposed to be in Delhi right now. This is like a backup day that we had planned so that we can go there and like do all of our arrangements in advance. We've been here since like 10 in the morning and it's what? 2:40 in the afternoon. We were supposed to reach Delhi by 2 p.m. I have my fittings, guys. The moment I reach there, I have my last and final fittings for my cocktail outfit. We finally made it to Ankita's, but it's so late. It is, what's the time now? It's 7:40 in the evening. We were supposed to be here at 3 p.m. and very grateful that she has stayed for us even after they have closed, because we have to do these trials today and she is going to give us the dress tomorrow and then we leave day after. I'm worried that I will not survive the cold in this outfit. So I'm thinking she has a balcony. I'm going to wear this dress and stand on the balcony, because how else will I test it in the cold? And it's going to be even more cold at the venue. So let's see. But this Indigo has really like messed up our entire day, because we planned on doing so many things like errands and chota kaam jo yahan bhagna wala tha. We had kept that for today. That's why we were supposed to be here by 2 p.m. and then we would have the full day to do all of that. And now it's 7:40 and we'll do the trial and all, obviously, and then I think ghar pahunchte 9 baj jayenge. And then what are you supposed to do? We're too tired to do anything. We've been up since 8 a.m. We've been at the airport since 10 a.m. Anyway, you don't care about this. It's okay.
Yes, correct. Just the face. There you go. Yes. थोड़ा और pull करो आशना, तुम्हारी
lips.
She's...
chin पे pull करो.
Is it not a little small?
She's saying to do it in the chin.
No. Pull it all the way down to your chin.
Just a little short off.
No, that's okay. That it's supposed to be long in the front and short at the back.
Okay, one.
Hot.
Like this. Yes. It's supposed to be long in the front. Yeah.
It's long in the front and it's short as it goes on the back.
Or we can also do like an asymmetric one, like something like this.
I'm trying not to get my lip balm like on it, on the net.
Okay, wow, stunning. Beautiful.
Are you leaving the store? Where are you going? Guys, total nightmare. The Indigo situation has been. My DOP, who is flying in today to shoot everything for this function that's happening right now, and then he was supposed to come with us tomorrow because we leave for Jim Corbett tomorrow in the morning, like early morning. So he was supposed to travel with us and his flight got cancelled in the morning, and now one-way tickets are above 25,000 rupees, which is insane, and now he can't make it. Like, it's too much. The prices are inflated, and the moment you go to check out, it says that it's sold out. So now we have to figure out someone else to come shoot for today who is in Delhi, and now he's going to come day after, and I'm trying to book a ticket for day after and it's still showing sold out. Some flights, the moment you go to check out, it hikes the price up like by 3,000-4,000. I don't know what's happening. This is insane. Like, I've cried in the morning because I'm like so worried. I have my stylist and the wedding photography team flying tomorrow morning and their flights are all Indigo, so I'm really worried.
अपनी ही शादी में क्या करना पड़ रहा है भाई लोगों को जल्दी निकलवाने के लिए. Morning. फुल-ऑन BTS चल रहा है तो
तूने बताया फ्लाइट्स का क्या हुआ है?
फ्लाइट्स का इसमें नहीं बताया मैंने।
हाँ बताओ भाई क्या हुआ फ्लाइट्स का?
ये बताएगा, मैं तो सो रही थी।
तो मैं आया सोने 1 बजे, फिर नहीं सो पाया। 3:30 मुझे कॉल आया, हमारे 4 लोग आ रहे थे इंडिगो की फ़्लाइट से एंड कैंसिल हो गई फ़्लाइट। तो मैं 5 बजे तक उनकी फ़्लाइट सॉर्ट कर रहा था और उसके बाद मैं सोया हूँ और मैं 7:30 और 8 o'clock के बीच में उठ गया हूँ। तो मुझे नहीं पता कि मैं कैसे प्रोसेस करूँ ये सब अभी। प्रोसेस मतलब मैं कैसे वो कर रहा हूँ अभी, फंक्शन कैसे कर रही है मेरी बॉडी, मुझे अभी कोई
वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड भाई।
फंक्शन तो कर दिया जितना करना ये दोनों बैग लाल वाला है ना, रेड वाला है।
Maybe not so batch anymore.
लास्ट टू बी रेडी।
हम लेट है क्या?
थोड़ा आई थिंक नेक्स्ट डे के लिए हम अर्ली हैं। आज के लिए हम बहुत लेट हैं। ओके गाइस, दिस इज एक्सपेक्टेड। अब क्या कर सकते हैं, हमारा सामान जितना है। आई थिंक हमें मिडनाइट शुरू करना चाहिए था ये।
हाँ 2 दिन पहले ही कर देते शुरू।
लोडिंग द कार। लेट्स गो गाइस, आई एम रेडी।
अरे तेरा टैग
Gang.
बाइक और दुल्हन looks like boom.
You come on a bike to Jimco, but we'll sit in the car.
आई थिंक बाइक में आएगी तो वो शादी परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाएगी वहाँ पर।
Hey, don't do it near your face.
Honey, नाड़ में कैची
You can't afford that right now.
दादा कि अपना सब कुछ ले लिया ना मैंने, मैं चेकलिस्ट के बारे में सोच रहा था मैं।
Outfits?
चारों आउटफिट्स हो गए हैं मेरे।
हाँ।
चारों आउटफिट्स के शूज़ हो गए हैं।
हाँ।
मेरी सारी घड़ियाँ हो गई हैं, शराब हो गई है, कैश हो गया है और तो कुछ नहीं चाहिए मतलब इसके।
दिल्ली बॉयज का चेकलिस्ट काफी अलग होता है शादी प्रेप्स में। शराब, घड़ियाँ, आउटफिट्स।
प्रायोरिटी लिस्ट में ऊपर शराब आती है हमारे।
हमने सोचा आउटफिट्स, ज्वेलरी, दवाइयाँ, हीट पैचेस।
ये तो हमें चाहिए ही नहीं।
हीट पैचेस तो बाहर से लगेगी, मैं अंदर से हीट पूरा 1 2 3 नीट
Whiskey.
2 3
Yes, दिल्ली बॉयज को
हमें पैर करना पड़ेगा इसमें। बट हमें 5 आवर्स दिखा रहा है, विच मीन्स हम 4:30 पहुंचेंगे एंड वी आर वेरी वेरी बिहाइंड आवर शेड्यूल बिकॉज हमने सोचा था हम लंच टाइम तक पहुंच जाएंगे वहाँ पे, लाइक बिटवीन 1-2 PM। सो हम 2-2.5 घंटे पीछे हैं। इट्स ओके, कुछ नहीं कर सकते।
तो अपने फोन में
हमारे पास हल्दी आउटफिट नहीं है। हमने इतना भाव नहीं दिया है वो फंक्शन को। हम भूल चुके हैं हल्दी आउटफिट। हमने अभी एडी के फ्रेंड को बोला है जो पीछे से आ रहे हैं, मतलब कल आएंगे वो। वी आर गोइंग इन एडवांस बट दे आर कमिंग टुमारो। वी टोल्ड देम टू ब्रिंग एन आउटफिट फॉर अस, लाइक एनीथिंग। वी लाइक वील वेयर एनीथिंग, कुछ भी कॉटन टाइप का हमें पहनना है। इट डजंट मैटर। इतना वी हैव नॉट केयर्ड बिकॉज हम जिस दिन आने वाले थे, द डे वी गॉट डिलेड बिकॉज ऑफ आवर फ्लाइट, ये सब काम उस दिन होना था एंड कुछ भी नहीं हो पाया। सबकी टिकट्स हो चुकी हैं, सब आराम से अपना अपना पहुंच जाएंगे। सबकी गाड़ियां अरेंज हो चुकी हैं, सब पीछे से कोऑर्डिनेट करके आ जाएंगे। अब बीच रात में सबकी फ्लाइट्स कैंसिल, लाइक वेडिंग फोटोग्राफर, माय स्टाइलिस्ट, मेरा एक और DOP आ रहा था बॉम्बे से, सब कैंसिल। लाइक ओ गॉड, लाइक दिल्ली वाला खाना कहीं पे भी नहीं मिल सकता है।
वर्ल्ड से अच्छा
यहाँ देख के बोलो, यहाँ देख के
दिल्ली वाला खाना कहीं नहीं मिल सकता है।
चलो भाई,
Like,
एंड ऑफ
यहाँ का
डिबेट।
बटर चिकन, यहाँ की दाल मखनी, यहाँ के मोमोज, यहाँ का छोले भटूरे अनमैच्ड। ये ट्राई करते हैं देख के। मुझे एक अच्छा लगा है तो आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग इट फॉर बैकअप। हमने एक फ्रेंड को भी बोला है बट एटलीस्ट एक ऑप्शन रहेगा इफ नथिंग एल्स।
बैकअप का बैकअप।
बैकअप
दुल्हन है।
कैसा रहा ओवरऑल मर्सिडीज में? वांट से समथिंग अबाउट दैट?
538 बस। यहाँ पे पिच ब्लैक हो चुका है।
Hello, how are you? How was the journey?
लॉन्ग बट गुड। लिटरली एंटर करने में अंधेरा हो चुका है। अब तक तो थोड़ा था लाइट, हमें लगा हम आके व्यू देखेंगे, सबको दिखाएंगे। सॉरी गाइस, कल वेट करना पड़ेगा। मेरी
की जरूरत नहीं है।
Otherwise,
ले तो आते ही हो तुम मेरे को सुला के।
they too.
Good morning.
What you looking for?
It's day 1 officially. But
Day one?
Day 1 and we are already tired.
Day 1 officially, day 90 mentally.
Only black coffee. We're only on coffee right now.
It's only black coffee.
Only black coffee.
Morning
दिन
only
में
black
रात में
coffee.
रात
espresso
में espresso
martini.
martini. We'll cut to the espresso martini shot. Daytime. Cheers.
You should do this, guys. This is my first drink. Last drink वही देगा ना
This is my
वही।
first drink. I sound worse right now.
हाँ ये कर लेंगे ठीक है. This is the first drink and last drink वाला.
आज cocktail night है. It's the first day.
Day 1.
Day 1. And performances है हमारी आज तो. So groom side is performing. We'll
The
give
winning
some
side is performing. again.
winning side already decided. But ठंड है थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा यहाँ पे. So we don't know हम performances कैसे करेंगे.
हम लोग assume कर रहे थे कि कुछ 10-11 डिग्री के आसपास टेम्परेचर होगा.
है 10-11 ही, but it feels like 5.
It feels like 4-5. So I mean, it'll probably be we all be shivering on the stage if we have not had the
Enough.
different type of martinis.
Espresso martinis.
Yeah. So this is a second cup of black coffee. I hope we guys see you at the last glass of this night.
Last drink.
Last drink. Yeah. And yeah.
And after party का है?
After party.
You look like आप लोगों ने मार्शल का स्पीकर लाया, इसलिए देख रहे हम लोग लाए।
Okay, I'll tell you right away. This competition started when we made a group. Everybody was added to it. I sent like 5 songs initially. 5 songs भेजा, मेरे को लगा ठीक है अभी हो गया संगीत होगी ऐसे. भाई 2 days later I asked खुशी, वो तुमने अपना कोरियो को सॉर्ट करा क्या? She sent me a list of 9, 10, 11 songs. Like हम ये सब कर रहे हैं. मैंने कहा क्या? हाँ गाइस, हमें बॉम्बे जाना पड़ेगा, हमें कुछ करना पड़ेगा.
ये कोरियोग्राफी डिस्कस हो रही है.
और गाना?
टीम ग्रूम वर्सेस टीम ब्राइड. हमारे काफी गाने हैं गाइस, अभी हम बता नहीं सकते.
Copyright,
टीम को हमने
copyright.
बताया सॉन्ग्स सो दैट क्लैश नहीं हो, सब मिक्स नहीं करे अपने गाने. बट दे आर ऑल्सो वेरी गुड डांसर्स. ये सब डांस कमेटी है इनकी कॉलेज की.
और एंट्री सॉन्ग?
एंट्री सॉन्ग हमने डिसाइड नहीं किया अब तक.
बट यू वर सेइंग यहाँ पे ठंड है.
क्या?
यहाँ पे तो बहुत विंटर है, ठंड से है.
नहीं, रात को बहुत है यार, बहुत ज़्यादा.
हाँ रात पे तो है.
ऐसे टेम्परेचर्स है कि हम सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाएंगे क्योंकि हमें टेस्टर मिल गया ना रात को. हम आए हैं
जस्ट मुंबई थे.
एवरी आवर टेम्परेचर ड्रॉप होते जा रहा था. ओ उनको भी दो डॉलर.
ओए क्यों नहीं? So टीम ब्राइड क्या कर रहे हैं हम आज?
आज हम डांस प्रैक्टिसेस करने वाले हैं बिकॉज कल हमारा परफॉर्मेंस है, आज लड़के वालों का परफॉर्मेंस है. तो उनकी परफॉर्मेंस देखकर हमें मालूम पड़ ही जाएगा कि कितना पानी कम चाहे है वो लोग. बट या वी आर गोइंग टू परफॉर्म, वी आर गोइंग टू प्रैक्टिस राइट नाउ. सो आप प्रैक्टिसेस भी रिकॉर्ड करेंगे.
क्यों नहीं करेंगे?
On my feet, so I'm feeling very bad. But the girls are killing it. They are doing so well, and the boys are
Not killing it.
not killing it. They're literally just killing us by watching them.
It's healthy competition. हम किसी को गिराना नहीं चाहते. सबने मेहनत की है.
It's very talented. I'm going to do boo when they're dancing.
क्या count? Okay, let's do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
3, 4.
रोला पे गया.
हम कर भी रहे हैं उसके बाद.
1, 2, 3. रोला पे गया. ये हुआ 1 step. जैसे ये घूम के एक बार ही करा. रोला पे गया. रोला पे गया. टन टन टन. रोला पे गया. Okay. So you do a step 2 times. You turn and do it 1 more time. And then you do the other step 2 times.
Turn one more time.
Hang on bro, hang on.
अगर हमको सिखा रहे होते तो कब का हो जाता डांस तुम्हारा?
तुम्हें पता ही है।
हाँ किल कर दिया भाई, देखा नहीं आपने?
बहुत देर लगी है समझाने में ना मेरे को, 2-3 गाने।
डर के रहना हमसे।
Excuse me.
ये ग्रीन और ये ग्रीन बहुत अलग है ना, टाइप मतलब आई डोंट नो उसको क्या बोलते हैं, टाइप्स ऑफ जो प्लांट्स या लीव्स यूज
वसीम भैया
प्लीज यू सी, बिकॉज मैं बैठ जाऊंगी ना हेयर मेकअप पे, फिर मैं नहीं आ पाऊंगी एक बार।
I walked them through, so the process is
बट ये बैकग्राउंड में लगेंगे ना, जो जहाँ पे भी आपने वो लगे।
फ्रंट एंड सेंटर में
वगैरह
वो फिलर है।
देखो आपके ये
होंगे, थोड़े से वाइट के टचेस होंगे, बाकी ये जितना आप देख रहे हो ये बड़े बड़े पत्ते और ये सब ये इधर उधर टचिंग चलेगा।
honestly there were few things I also looked at, ये क्या करके तो हम ले आए, like these are nowhere to be done but they have brought it because just in case they want to fill space, add something, do something, so that अभी जो मानव भी लपेट के पर्पल घूम रहा था, that is also nowhere in the presentation but he's got it to add accents and everything.
ठीक है, white gown
Okay.
and
okay,
these
got it. So
this
I
we are
think
using
if
for
you're
pictures.
Ready,
The
yeah,
veil.
You get ready by, try to get ready by 5 if possible.
Yeah.
5:10 so
Yeah.
that because ये
ये जो
शाम-
स्टेज पे ड्रेपिंग है ना
कुछ
वो यूज
shots
कर
हो
सकते हैं हम
पाएंगे,
वहाँ पे।
वही,
या
वही।
Did you die?
You made him first.
Wow.
Have you guys died?
No, we slept.
You slept?
Yeah, we slept. We just
भाई आप रेडी नहीं हुए अभी तक?
This is the first type of coffee. No, this is the second type of coffee. You already had your black or whatever right in the morning. So here's the second coffee here, which is probably going to be the cold coffee, and this is probably the last soberest coffee that he's going to have tonight. You know why?
Because इसके बाद मैं espresso मानी
पीने पियूंगा।
उसके बाद कॉफी में मिक्सिंग होगी।
और फिर आनी ने बोला है कि उसको रूम में सीधा नहीं आना है।
What do you like more? I like this one. Right, Pearl? It's more elegant and this is like a lot. Yeah. It's very gala also. Yeah, actually very pageant. Very pageant. And I feel like with the veil and stuff like this will look very classic elegant. With the hair also. Agreed. Definitely the pearls. I'll just take this off. Could she get the shots arranged? Not for me.
It's too cold outside.
But I can't have a shot.
she cannot. She's saying she cannot.
Asha, just sit. You'll be good. Sit on the edge.
I don't want to like.
I'll stitch you
But I have to.
What about
I can't sit like this.
You can sit here.
Come here. Plank. Just do
bent.
this.
Still have to like be very.
No, so come here. This allows you more space to be able to do that.
But this is all going to crease then. I'll have to iron it again.
पीछे वाला thing, not train.
Train, the back is fine. The front. The struggle is real.
How can I sit like this?
They lift her from the thing and just.
I don't know.
Guys,
Cushion.
Asha, one second. Asha, no. Wait. One more. Hold on.
Okay.
1 second. One more.
How can I sit like this? But I can't do this.
मैं सोचा कि थोड़ा
Please. I have a feeling you're dropping.
ये मुझे पता नहीं कि एडिबल है कि नहीं है, मैं तो खा
Edible है. क्या है वो?
पेपर लग रहा है।
Oh my god, he said 1 sip.
वन से भी तो है।
He's saying 1 sip ही तो है.
You got it?
You make second like purple. Look at this.
Oh, very cute.
Oh, nice.
We used our photo from this show. The photo book.
Thank you.
Very cute. Done.
Very nice.
Outfit, they want tuxedos. ऊपर चढ़ूं कैसे पड़ता है?
How are you feeling?
Cold.
Cold. Cold.
What else to feel?
नहीं उसका हील अटक जाएगा उसमें। नहीं अटकेगा।
मेरा ना मूड ही नहीं रहा है। मूड ही नहीं रहा है।
चेयर मंगवाना है कि स्पेशली बैठे हमारे साथ हो गए संभाल के एक स्टेप ऊपर रख ले बस एक और स्टेप बस वन इजी इजी इजी
ये वाला मूवमेंट कैप्चर किया ना?
हां
दो लड़के तो
चलो
लड़के तो चेयर हो तो गिर भी मत
नहीं
यस 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 ये ब्यूटीफुल सही इसको जैकेट पहना दो यार
But literally put your hands inside. Saving me from dying. Let $5 stand.